Most people are too proud to win. They think asking for help is a sign of weakness, when in reality, silence is the true failure. The world isn't a meritocracy, it's a marketplace. And if you don't know how to place your order, you'll spend your life eating everyone else's leftovers. You aren't being independent, you're being ignored. Ready to change the power dynamic? Let's talk about the Benjamin Franklin effect. It's a psychological glitch that sounds fake, but it's lethal. If you want someone to like you, don't do them a favor, ask them for one. When someone does you a small favor, their brain has to justify why. It tells itself, I must like this person, otherwise, why would I help them? You haven't just gained help, you've hacked their subconscious into becoming an ally. Research shows that people who ask for advice are perceived as more competent, not less. Why? Because you're validating the other person's ego. You're making them the expert. Stop and think, what is the one thing standing between you and your next level? Is it a lack of resources, or is it the fear of hearing the word no? You miss 100% of the shots you don't take, said Wayne Gretzky. But in the art of asking, the quote is different, the world belongs to the askers, and the scraps belong to the silent. High-status asking isn't begging. It's positioning. Never ask, can I have? Ask, how can we? Use the door-in-the-face technique. Ask for something massive first, something you know they'll reject. When they say no, follow up with your real, smaller request. Their brain views the second request as a concession, and they feel a psychological need to meet you halfway. It's not a favor, it's a negotiation. The closed door isn't locked, you just haven't turned the handle yet. The knowledge is there. The power is there. But it's gate-kept for those who have the balls to ask for the key.
Most people stay blind to the game, don't be one of them. Join the shadow and we stay in the ground. Unless Forge's patch commands a secret, they are betting you will never find.